Today in the workshop we are going to be continuing taking out the old sound deadening out of the lower floor pans. This side's been done, it has been rush treated. I'm going to be removing this one because there is corrosion underneath it and I want it all out. Not going to bother with that because that's quite high, there's no water under that. But while I'm doing that, there's another 240 in the workshop. Having a new cam put in. How's it going?
It's starting. It's just started really.
So swapping this cam into that engine. And driving home, aren't we, Clayton?
Hopefully. See what happens.
You can do it.
Look there.
She's out.
There it is. Sometimes cam. You don't know what cam it is until you take it out and have a look at the letters on the end. See that there?
Oh, I see it.
That's VX3.
VX3.
Now this one should be
But you can't see until you pull it out.
a B230E, which is what this is. I'm not sure what cam it comes with. Basically, that's what I'm saying. I could guess. I've got 26 guesses.
Time for the big reveal, see what cam was inside Clayton's engine.
There's a Scotch brite. Go again. It's a V.
A V.
It's a V.
Felt really wrong all of a sudden.
It's a V.
It's a V.
I have no idea of the specs on it.
So what does that mean?
I'd have to look at the specs of the lift and duration and stuff, but
This is a VX3 and that's just a V.
just a V. But I think the VX is a mixture of two different cams.
Now this is why I'm glad we're taking out all this sound deadening. Can you see all that rust hidden under there? You just know it's going to be, see, creeping underneath. And we're going to take all this off and just get all that corrosion out. Otherwise it'll just be there forever, eating away at our floor pans. And we do not want that. See? All the rust pitting. I'm going to get this all treated. And then I've got some brand new sound deadening to put in. But it's tough stuff to get out. It's welded after all these years. Welded. Alright, let's carry on. seem to have found quite a bad patch of rust here. I'm hoping that it's not gone through the floor pan. We shall keep digging. But obviously water has got in here at some point. Let's try it. Keep digging, I'll let you know. Cam is in place.
Let's start it up. No, let's not start it up.
Boy's just going to get everything tightened down and all sealed up. You got good feelings about this cam?
Yeah. Do you want to know the story behind it?
Yeah.
So it's basically sat in an engine for like 10 years in storage, and pulled it out today, and it happened to be a VX3 cam, so got a spare hour.
Thought, why not?
Why not?
Why not? It's amazing what you can find rummaging in the garden.
Well, actually, we found a front cam seal rummaging in the drawers.
Amazing.
Which was nice because the one that came out was like
a bit crispy.
Yeah. A bit like a Finder's crispy pancake.
Another 80s icon.
Yeah. Like myself.
Not on this, it doesn't. Do you want me to have a quick browse?
I don't think there is a sequence.
Mm-hmm.
Star pattern.
Ah.
Yes, it will.
That's my first torque wrench.
My first torque wrench.
Yes. I guess you're handy. The old torque elbows still in calibration.
What were you talking about the other day that just felt so wrong?
Nice pun.
Something on the diff, wasn't it? On the BMW.
Got the thin wall of the bearing housing for the diff.
Like that.
Section 6.
2000. What do you want me to do? I don't know. Which way do you want to go?
I think it's just the tension on there. That's it. I'm good to go.
Good to
Here we go. The cam is in.
Start one.
Will it start?
First go.
We have ignition. Oh my god. It started!
Sounds really good.
It does sound good.
Sounds really good, doesn't it?
Sounds a bit flat.
Started!
Aye.
Yeah, but it'd be all up in the revs, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
It was very smooth.
Not tippy tappy, which means the tappet adjustment
Spot on.
of the valve clearances, valve shim clearances were good, and should try it up the road now.
Yeah.
Road test.
Road test it.
Brum.
Don't laugh at my wish, Chinese boxer.
Ooh! Man, they're blinding.
£9.
£9.
That's how much they weigh. Oh,
Oh,
what was that?
that was a.
Oh, it was the drain.
Oh,
Clonk. I think that sounds like a Volvo reversing, does it?
what's the verdict?
Feels like a Volvo.
Feels like a Volvo.
Like a Volvo.
Sounds like a Volvo.
Bits falling off of it like a Volvo. I'm off to Pembrokeshire now.
See you later.
A little spirited drive.
Thanks for calling by and helping us move around the workshop.
No worries.
Let us know if you feel any difference.
And it's okay.
Yeah.
I got free breakdown cover.
Hey.
Good advert there for Lancaster Insurance.
Woohoo!
Bleepcaster.
Bleep, 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 bleep. Have fun.
Bye.
You didn't check out my cheap Chinese wish clocks, did you?
I saw them glow. I saw them glow.
That is the pinnacle of Chinese technology.
They are sweet as oil, volts, and oil.
Yeah, they aren't connected.
Just Volvo.
Just for show. I don't even know if they work yet.
Whoop, whoop.
I'll let you know when I get there.
See you later.
If I get there.